Hello everyone and Sovieticas. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking through a survey site. Now this site is called Zap Survey. Okay, you can as well install this application on your Play Store or your Apple Store. Okay, so for this Zap Survey, normally it was a survey that is done worldwide, but now it's just for those who are in the first world countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and so forth. So, but we need not to worry if you are not in these first world countries, because you can actually access this survey site using a VPN or a proxy to connect to this site. So in Zap Survey, to do the introductory survey, that is the demographics or your profile, you get $6.25 into your Zap Survey account. Well, for me, I feel it is really a very nice start. Okay, so if you are new to Zap Survey, you need to understand that this Zap Survey, they pay daily for login as well. So if we are to go into Zap Survey, we need to agree with the Zap Survey terms of services and privacy. And for this Zap Survey, you can as well sign up with your Google account. You can continue with your Facebook, and then you can also sign up with your email address. So let's proceed. Let me sign up with my Google. I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. And let's take a tour inside the world of Zap Surveys. Okay, so as you could see on the screen, it is a screenshot from Cash Out with Zap Survey. Okay, okay, so here is the dashboard of the Zap Survey. This is actually a new account, and as you can see here, my balance is $0. Here, my welcome bonus, if I'm to start the survey, I'm going to earn $2. So let's take a tour through these Zap Surveys. Okay, so you can actually get best match surveys. These best match surveys will determine will come to you when you set up your profile. Maybe you are working in a company, maybe you are doing this, you are doing other things. Probably you are an automobile engineer. They will begin to match surveys for you as an automobile engineer. So for the things that Zap survey offers. There are so many offers. You can come here and then click on offers and take them. Let's check on more. So here we can actually set up our accounts, and let's click on the cash out. So for Zap surveys, you can actually cash out when you get to a threshold of $10. You can cash out through your Amazon, you can cash out via PayPal, MasterCard, and other gift cards of your choices. And then one thing about Zap survey is that you can actually get $0.45 for every person you invite to the app. And well, if you are new to this survey site, you can actually know that $10 is something that will not be difficult to get. You can get this $10 in a couple of days. So Zap code, when you click on any of these payments method, and then you get your payment, it will land in your PayPal account, or with Amazon gift card. It's going to land in 48 to 72 hours, or sometimes for me it always comes in less than 24 hours. So let's go and then start this survey. This video is not going to be long. So your opinion matters and help thousands of brands make correct decisions. It is extremely important that you answer surveys clearly. So I'll be honest on this survey. How much do you think Zapper earned so far? Do you think have Zappers earned so far using Zap surveys? Actually, about over $50,000 have been earned so far. Now, last time we checked, we have earned $51,000. So I am correct. Now here is the magic. Okay, so now let me click on next and continue. How can you earn in Zap surveys? I can actually earn in Zap surveys all of the above. So let's continue. That's correct. I think I'll be using my PayPal to cash out. So I now have $2 in my balance. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel while I make videos like this. Do well to jump on Zap surveys and you will cash out at least within 4 or 5 days $10 into your Zap account, into your PayPal account, and then if I'm to explore Zap world, I'm just going to take more surveys. Like if I am to set my profile, I will earn 0.50 cents for 1 minute, and I have 5 surveys left for me to get my welcome bonus of $6.25. Okay, stay tuned guys, as videos like this will be coming up. In the description box and my YouTube channel, you will find the link to my WhatsApp community click on there. If you have challenges or questions about surveys, you can come up to our WhatsApp community. And sorry that this video is coming at this time. Do well to jump on it. I think you can work this video. You can I feel you can actually earn more on Zap Surveys. See you guys in the next video. And then that